Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone 13 Pro Max runs the latest iOS and that your carrier plan includes hotspot data. Once done, verify mobile data is turned on in settings because the hotspot depends on it. Now open Settings and tap Personal Hotspot to access controls. You're initiating the Shared Internet feature. This step unlocks the toggle and shows network name and password. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are available for easier device pairing as you proceed. Now configure how your hotspot behaves. Toggle Allow others to join so the iPhone broadcasts a network. You'll edit the Wi-Fi password to a memorable but strong string with letters and digits. This protects your connection and prevents unwanted data use. If you need to support older or Windows devices, enable Max compatibility. Make sure to disable it for better performance with modern devices. Once configuration is set, check the network name shown. You'll use this SSID and password on the device that needs internet. Finish by connecting your other device. Pick the iPhone SSID from Wi-Fi lists and enter the hotspot password. You can also pair via Bluetooth or plug the iPhone into a computer with USB for a stable connection. These alternatives help when Wi-Fi is unreliable. If connection or internet sharing fails, make sure mobile data is active, toggle the personal hotspot off and restart the iPhone. Often that clears carrier handshake issues. As a final check, confirm your cellular plan allows hotspot usage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.